I'm passing this phone to someone na nasa kanya na talaga yung lahat. Ewan ko na lang.
I'm passing this phone to someone na
Ano daw?
dalawa po sila.
Passing this phone sa kaklase namin lagi pagod. Karen.
Hoy mo! I'm passing this phone to someone na mahilig ako picturean. Crush mo ba ako dyan?
I'm passing this photo na someone na 1% yung possibility na maging sila. I'm passing this phone to someone na meron ng meron ng kay I'm passing this phone to someone. I'm passing this phone to someone na mukhang
Ano babasa ko? Sige. I'm passing this phone to someone. To someone. Ikaw na.